Hello, in this video I'll take you through my self-portrait lighting setup and explain to you why I used 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lights. Right, let's go around the room and I'll talk you through the setup. Starting with the camera, my lens of choice was the 35mm. To avoid distortion with this wide-angle lens, I positioned the camera in line with my waist, and posing-wise, I made myself taller by extending my leg to touch the floor. Next to the camera is the fill light, and it's being used to raise the brightness of the room and lift the shadows. This really helps to avoid any grain in the images, especially if you're going for a moody and artistic look. This is the key light, and it helped me achieve a Rembrandt or split lighting effect depending on where my head was positioned. I've blocked some of the light that was falling on me with this flag. I wanted the focus to be on the upper half of my body. Moving on, here is one of the side lights, and I've folded the diffusion into 2 parts. So I get a nice hard light on part of my body and a nice soft light on my face. Layering this with the key light helps give the image some dimension and also helps separate me from the background. If you're finding this video insightful or helpful, please leave a comment or hit the subscribe button. It really does help me to create even better content for you. Right, let's get back to the lights. The next light served a very simple purpose. This tiny light here helped to make the background a little more visible. This side light here had a dual purpose. Firstly, it acted as a nice rim light, and secondly, it created a lovely pool of light on the floor, which helped to enhance the visual interest of the image. The last light here has a grid and barn doors to stop the light spilling all over the set and just focusing on this part of my leg. Now, there was an 8th light, but I wasn't sure if I needed it. Any guesses of where it might be? So here's the 8th light, which was combined with this light, and together they created a nice rim light across this area and my shoulder. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in all the details, check out my website for the full case study. Until the next one, stay golden.